Hey, what's up, what's up, gangsta bros, and welcome back to Don't Mess with the Gangsta. Yeah, don't mind that. And whatever. And I'm gonna teach you how to make the pocket knife. Simple, really easy to make. Probably take like about 5 minutes to make. Really easy to make. You'll need 2 sheets of paper. Let me get another sheet of paper. And another sheet of paper. Just like that. You'll need tape and scissors for this process of making. Don't need that right now. Then get step 1. Get 1 sheet of paper, fold it just like that, and then when you fold it, you cut off the line, which will mostly turn into this. Let me get the thing on. Okay. So it looks like this. Like that. You open it up. Don't mind that. You fold it. Just like that. Then open up. And you get this. This line in the middle right here, you're gonna cut that.
Cut it.
Yeah, cut it. Say it to the camera. Huh? I have scissors.
Oh.
I have your scissors.
Yeah, little baby ones,
Yeah, the little baby ones. I'm gonna cut that.
Yeah.
Sorry we don't have music. My brother just doesn't want to use it. Okay.
Really?
So you're gonna turn out to have these 2 sheets. You're gonna only need 1 sheet of paper. Pick it up. 1 sheet of paper right here. Then you're gonna measure it. Well, you don't really have to measure it. Okay, hold on. I'll show you how to do this. 1 sheet of paper. On.
I'm gonna play the same. Forget that.
Like that.
No one heard that.
And you're gonna fold it over.
The camera's not facing at me.
No, it's like facing like forward to this. Okay. It is facing at you though. And facing at this. Just to make it look like that. Should look like that. Then again, you're gonna fold it again. Just like that.
This good music?
To make it look like that. Then gonna fold it just like this, and okay, have this, and you're gonna fold it just like that, just like that. When it turns out like that, and have this, then you're gonna get pencil, marker, pen, and then you're gonna type in there. You're gonna do how big the. Actually, first get some tape. Actually, yeah.
So is the camera facing at me?
Yeah, not really.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna get your tape. And you're gonna go like this.
So tell me when my thing's done loading.
And then you're gonna go like this, and then wrap it around. Just like that. Then get your pencil and make the sharp part of how sharp you want it to be. Just like that. And then you're gonna cut along the line of the thing you want it to do. Just like that. You don't have to copy my sharp. It should look like this. That's your blade. Done. You're gonna set that to the side. Then you're gonna actually you don't need 2 pieces of paper. You just need 1 piece of paper. And the other paper that you folded up, it's right here. And you're gonna fold it hamburger style. Just like that. To make it a square. Just like that. Then you're gonna get your blade and you're gonna like twist it like that. Just to make it like that. Then you're gonna get your tape. And you're gonna wrap it around the bottom part. Just like that. And you leave this open, this part open. I'm gonna show you why. Then you're gonna put your blade onto this. Just like that. And you're gonna go like here. And take it out. And tape it up. Just like that. Do it again. So you see no more creases right here. Oh! There's the button. How was it? You know what, actually this video literally took freaking 7 minutes. That's okay. I didn't know. Sorry I'm taking too long. Just explaining how to make this. So it should look like this. I'm gonna wrap it up again. And again. And again. You need to get your tape and tape this part up. Make sure that's clearly looking for you guys for this part to close up. Just like that. Voila. Then you get your blade. Well, first off,